my second video. The first one didn't get successful. So, if you want to see my TikTok, go to Dark Sparrow. And then if you see a wolf that has kind of a yellowish orange hair, then that's my TikTok. If you want to go check down in the link, please like and subscribe. This is my first channel, and this is something I really wanted to do for so long, and the time has finally came. So if you want to see me do sledding down this steep hill, then please like, subscribe, and comment and share. And then if we hit over 500 likes, then I will see if we can upload that video. So, this, I hope I get TikTok famous. So, here we go, guys. So, the back of the house is kind of not as beautiful as the use the snow and stuff. Ew, so slushy. So I gotta do this video quick and fast. So, guys, that's my trailer. That's the back of my house. Yeah. If you want to see something so beautiful that you want to watch it over and over and over and over, here's the moment needed to. Sorry about that, just gotta get through because everything's in my way. Let's see. That's my mom's car. That's the snow sky. It's all white, if you can't tell. And then everything here is just whiteness. It's all white. If you want me to shut up, then okay, I will.